In this video, we are going to learn about ionic bond. Let us see how ionic bonds are formed and how the ionic compounds are formed. Now first let us see the characteristics of an ionic bond. An ionic bond or an electrovalent bond is formed due to strong electrostatic attractive forces between two oppositely charged ions. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of one or more electrons from one atom to the other. Ionic bond is formed between two atoms having a difference in their electronegativities of about or greater than 1.7. That means the difference between the electronegativities of two atoms must either be equal to or greater than 1.7. The number of electrons transferred during an ionic bond formation is known as electrovalency. Let us see how an ionic compound is formed with an example. Let us take an example of sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, you have two atoms involved. The one is sodium atom and the other one is the chlorine atom. Now let us take sodium. The sodium's atomic number is 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. That means it has one electron excess to that of the neon configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is the neon configuration, which is a stable inert gas configuration. I'll write as Ne configuration. Capital N and small e. This is Ne. Neon configuration. So, one electron excess to neon configuration. To attain stability, sodium readily loses its one electron and forms sodium ion, which is Na+. It has an electronic configuration of 2, 8 and it is losing one electron. So, I will write as plus E-. So, this has attained neon configuration. See, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now, this has become stable. Similarly, let us see the chlorine. Chlorine has the electronic configuration of 287. Its atomic number is 17. So, it has one electron less to that of argon configuration, which is capital Ar. So, to attain argon configuration, it readily accepts one electron and becomes chloride ion. Therefore, plus E-, due to gain of electron, it gives chloride ion, which is Cl-. And therefore, it has attained stable inert gas configuration of argon with 288 electronic configuration. Now, if you consider sodium ion and chloride ion, sodium has a positive charge on it and chloride has a negative charge on it. See the ionic bond definition. Electrostatic forces of attraction between two oppositely charged ions. The two ions Na+ and Cl- are held together by strong electrostatic forces of attraction to form ionic compound sodium chloride, which is NaCl. Now let us show it diagrammatically. First, sodium atom Na, which has one electron. I'll put one dot on it. Plus, chlorine has 7 electrons in its outermost orbit. Therefore, I'll write 7 cross marks indicating the electrons of outer orbit in chlorine. Now, the one electron which is there on sodium is readily given to chlorine, forming sodium plus and chloride minus ion. Or I can write as Na plus Cl minus put together. Na plus Cl minus. So this is NaCl. In the next video, we'll learn how a covalent bond is formed.